So welcome back, students. So as we discussing continuation worksheets regarding to 10th class biological science. So today we are going to discuss about worksheet 5. Worksheet 5. So in this, the main concept, the main concept or the main topic in this worksheet number 5 is moles of leaf experiment. Moles of leaf experiment. Moles of leaf experiment. So here the main concept here, you can see this moles of leaf experiment. Now after learning moles of leaf experiment, what the student get knowledge about moles of leaf experiment. So what are the outcomes from the learner? What are the outcomes from the learner? So so number one, conducts the experiment to know the CO2 is essential for the photosynthesis. So learner can conduct the experiment to know the CO2 is essential for photosynthesis. CO2 is essential for photosynthesis. Next, he explains precautions while conducting this experiment. He precautions to be taken while conducting this experiment. Next, learner can give the reasons why plant kept in dark before conducting experiment. So these are the learning outcomes after understanding, after go through these moles of leaf experiment. So now let us go to the concept presentation. Concept presentation. Concept presentation. So we know that CO2 is essential factor for the photosynthesis. So an experiment that is to be conducted to prove CO2 is necessary for photosynthesis is moles of leaf experiment. So here moles of leaf experiment. Moles of leaf experiment. Here moles is a scientist. Moles is a scientist. Moles is a scientist. He conducted this experiment and proved the CO2 is essential for the photosynthesis. That is the reason he kept to this experiment as. And also here we can see this off leaf. This term you have to keep in your mind. So moles is the scientific name, scientist name, sorry, scientist name, whereas off leaf. So in this experiment, we use only half of the leaf only, mainly. So because of using the off leaf to conduct this experiment, because of this conducting at first time by the moles scientist, this experiment completely known as moles off leaf experiment. Moles is the scientist name. Off leaf is nothing but in this experiment, the most important leaf part is off leaf only. So that it is called a moles off leaf experiment. So in this experiment, we used only half of the leaf as a main important part of the leaf. So next here, You can go through the picture. So let us see this picture here, and also what is the aim. So here three questions are there. What is the aim of this experiment? So the main aim of this experiment is to prove the CO2 is essential for photosynthesis. To prove the CO2 is essential for the photosynthesis. So the main aim of this experiment is to prove the CO2 is essential for the photosynthesis. Now here I will write here. The main aim of this experiment is to prove the CO2 is essential for the photosynthesis. So this is the main aim of the. Next here, list out the various operators used in this experiment. So the main operators which we use here, now I will show you the main operators which we use. A healthy potted plant, here is the healthy potted plant. So this is the healthy potted plant. So healthy potted plant, and which is having long and narrow leaves. So the first operators is we need to conduct this experiment. A healthy potted plant. Here I will type you operators APPARATUS operators. Number one operators is healthy potted plant. Healthy potted plant PLANT healthy potted plant which is having long and narrow leaves. So number two, a wide mouthed glass bottle. A wide mouthed MOUTHE, a wide mouthed glass 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 bottle which is having a wide mouthed glass bottle which is having tight fitting rubber cork. Tight 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 fitting rubber cork. Rubber cork CORK. Number three, block, a wooden block BLOCK, wooden block, and here the main wooden block, okay. And the main chemical which we use, fourth one, the main chemical which we use in this experiment is KOH. KOH means potassium hydroxide. Now let us, so now here already I, right. So here you can see this, and fourth one, okay, undo, okay, redo, right. So you can see this here, healthy potted plant which is having long and narrow leaves. Number two, a wide mouthed glass bottle which is having tight fitting rubber cork. Now here I will show you here, and by taking that. So here a healthy potted plant we have taken. So the potted plant we have taken, and which is having long and narrow leaf, which I already explained you, and a wide mouthed glass bottle which is having tight fitting rubber cork. And here in the, in which what you see that at the bottom the liquid pot is a chemical is nothing but KOH, potassium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide. So here the third question is, why is this experiment known as moles of leaf experiment? Already I explained you, because is by conducting moles scientist this experiment, and he used off leaf as a main important to conduct the experiment. Hence this experiment is known as moles of leaf experiment. So the main aim of this moles of leaf experiment to prove the CO2 essential for the photosynthesis. Already, so let us know, take a healthy potted plant with thin leaves and long and narrow leaves. Already I said, before the activity you have to keep the plant dark for 24 hours. So this is most important. There is a question, why we should keep a healthy potted plant before conducting experiment in a dark room? Means leaves are free from starch. సో మనము ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్ కండక్ట్ చేసే కంటే ముందు ఎందుకు ఆ పాటెడ్ ప్లాంట్ ని నీడలో పెడతాము, సన్లైట్ కి ఎక్స్పోజ్ చేయము, నీడలో పెడతాము ఎందుకు అంటే, అందులో ఆల్రెడీ ఇంత ముందుకు తయారైనటువంటి స్టార్చ్ ని రిమూవ్ చేయడం కోసం. సో కాబట్టి బిఫోర్ బిఫోర్ హియర్ యూ కెన్ సీ దిస్, బిఫోర్ before the activity we have to keep the plant in dark for 24 hours. Why we should keep a healthy potted plant before conducting experiment in the dark? Means whatever starts prepared in the leaves to remove, that is the reason we kept in dark room for 24 hours. So next here there will be a put potassium hydroxide pellets or solution in the wide mouthed bottle. So already in this picture already we seen KOH in above picture. So here we seen that. So why we add the potassium hydroxide pellets or solution for why? Because to remove whatever CO2 present in the bottle. CO2 ఇంకా ఏమైనా ఉంటే బాటిల్లో రిమూవ్ చేయడం కోసం మనం ఏం చేస్తామంటే KOH లేక KOH ని యాడ్ చేస్తాం. సో KOH in the form of pellets or solution we should use. So insert the split cork in mouth of the bottle. Insert one of the destarched plant leaves into the transparent bottle and leave the entire arrangement along with the bottle in sunlight. So when after inserting here, so here this is the bottle and this is the leaf. Only half portion in the bottle, rest of the portion is the outside. So for the bottom we kept here wooden block. So this entire setup, potted plant, bottle and wooden block, this entire setup you have to keep about in sunlight 6 hours. So after time is over, now you have to take out the bottle and separate the leaf and test the leaf by taking iodine reagent. So the portion of the leaf which is outside, so this is the outside, so this is the outside of the bottle of leaf, this is the inside the bottle. So this we can see this one and this one. The portion of the leaf which is outside the bottle, when we add the iodine solution, it turns into blue black color. Why? Because it receives the sunlight and it receives the carbon dioxide. But whereas the portion of the leaf which is present in the bottle does not receive the CO2, does not receive the CO2, so that it does not prepare the starch. So it is colorless part, no starch. So for this we conclude that the CO2 is essential. The portion of the leaf which is taken the CO2 is converting into blue black color. The portion of the leaf which is inside the bottle not received the CO2, so that it not prepared the starch, so that it does not get any color. So by this experiment we conclude that CO2 is essential for the photosynthesis. So because of using here half of the leaf and this experiment is called off leaf experiment, because of this one first conducting by the molds. So what did you observe? After a few hours, pluck or detach the leaf which was inserted in the bottle for starch. The leaf part which was exposed to the atmosphere, air, sunlight becomes bluish black. The other part of the leaf which is present in the bottle remains colorless. Why? Because not receives the carbon dioxide. So that because of KOH absorbed by the carbon dioxide. So it proves that CO2 is essential for the photosynthesis. So why was the plant kept in dark? For this already I said, to make sure that leaves are free from starch. This is the answer for the why was plant kept. So whenever we are conducting experiment, before conducting experiment, we have to keep the potted plant in the dark room to make sure that leaves are free from starch. So while doing experiment, we should take some precautions such as keeping the plant in dark for 24 hours to remove the starch. In the same way, while inserting the leaf, half of the pot leaf should be inside bottle, remaining should be outside. So precautions here you have to see before inserting the leaf. Half of the leaf is inside the bottle, rest of the leaf is the outside of the bottle. Just you have to follow these precautions. And now self evaluation. So now in moles of leaf experiment, the role of KOH is absorption of CO2. A is the correct one. B is wrong. C is wrong. D is wrong. KOH absorbs the CO2. Hence the answer is A. Answer is A. Identify the correct statement regarding the observation of leaf in moles of leaf experiment. So the entire leaf turns correct statement అన్నాడు. సో కాబట్టి కరెక్ట్ స్టేట్మెంట్ మనం ఐడెంటిఫై చేయాలి. సో the entire leaf turns into bluish black color. No, it is wrong. The part of the leaf present in the bottle turns into blue or black color. No, wrong. The part of the leaf present outside the bottle only turns blue black color. Yes, it is right answer. So C is the right answer. Why? Because the part of the leaf which is outside of the bottle which receives the sunlight as well as carbon dioxide, so that it can prepare that part when we test by taking iodine reagent turns into blue black color. So whereas D, both inside and outside of the leaf does not turns into blue black color. Wrong. D is the wrong. So answer is C. The portion of the leaf which is present outside the bottle turns into blue black color. That is, you have to keep in your mind. Next, the main reason for keeping the plant in dark for 24 hours to make sure that the leaves are free from starch. Here the C is the right answer. D starch. D starch అంటే removal of starch present in the leaves. Leaves లో ఉన్న starch ని remove చేయడం. ఎప్పుడు ఎలా రిమూవ్ చేయగలుగుతాము? ఎప్పుడైతే హెల్తీ పాటెడ్ ప్లాంట్ ని మనం డార్క్ రూమ్లో సన్లైట్ కి ఎక్స్పోజ్ చేయకుండా ఉన్నప్పుడు అప్పుడు ఆటోమేటిక్ గా స్టార్చ్ అనేది వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. కాబట్టి సో ద మెయిన్ రీజన్ ఫర్ కీపింగ్ ద ప్లాంట్ ఇన్ 24 hours టు మేక్ షూర్ దట్ లీవ్స్ ఆర్ ఫ్రీ ఫ్రమ్ స్టార్చెస్. సో దట్ కరెక్ట్ సెంటెన్స్ ఈస్ టు డిస్టార్చ్ ద లీఫ్. సో ఏ ఇస్ ద రాంగ్, బి ఈస్ రాంగ్ అండ్ డి ఈస్ రాంగ్. సి ఈస్ ద కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్. Now next, write any two precautions to be taken in moles of leaf experiment. So now let us take two precautions here, there, and two precautions. One is the must keep. Number one is the to keep the you have to see the must be half of the leaf is inside the bottle and half of the leaf is outside of the bottle. You must take precautions by keeping like this. And also another precaution, before conducting experiment, the healthy potted plant must be kept in the dark room to leaves are free from starch. These are the precautions important for this activity. Next, write the procedure of moles of leaf experiment. So the procedure you can write very simple. Take a healthy potted plant, which is having long and narrow leaves, and keep in the dark room 24 hours to leaves are free from starch, and take out that after 24 hours take out that plant and select one of the long and narrow leaf and take the wide mouthed glass bottle, and in before inserting the leaf half of the leaf into the bottle, pour the KOH to absorb the carbon dioxide which is present in the bottle. Then you have to leave the half of the leaf inside the bottle, rest of the leaf is outside the bottle, and keep the tight fitting rubber cork at the mouth of the glass bottle so air does not enter into the bottle. So now this entire setup you have to keep 6 to 8 hours in the sunlight. So after time is over, what happens? uh, take out the take out the glass bottle and detach the leaf and test the leaf by taking iodine reagent. The portion of the leaf which is present outside the bottle turns into blue black color. Why? Because it receives the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. But the portion of the leaf which is present inside the bottle does not receive the carbon dioxide, hence it does not turns into blue black color. So in this so sixth one is list out the chemical needed for the experiment to prove that CO2 is necessary for photosynthesis. Here we can take two chemicals for one is KOH, which is for main purpose to absorb the carbon dioxide. Number two is iodine reagent to test the starch. Iodine, iodine solution, which is so two chemicals we used in this experiment. KOH is used to absorb the CO2 and iodine solution is used to test the starch. So this is the activity 5 and next worksheet 6. Let us go to until then see that.